Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Notta login issues, language and account errors step by step clearly. Open your Notta app and navigate to the login screen. Enter your registered email address and password. If you receive a language error, check your device's language settings. Go to your device's settings and select the language option. Make sure your preferred language matches what is supported by Notta. Next, check for any pending app updates in your App Store. Updating the app can resolve many login issues. If the problem persists, try restarting your device. This can clear any temporary glitches affecting the app's performance. For account-related errors, visit the Notta website and log in using your browser. If you cannot log in, select the Forgot Password option. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. After resetting your password, try logging in again on the app. If you still encounter issues, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try to log in again. Sometimes, VPNs can interfere with app connectivity. If none of these steps solve the issue, contact Notta's customer support. Provide them with details about your specific problem. They will guide you through further troubleshooting steps. Always keep your app and device updated for optimal performance. Following these steps should help resolve your login issues with Notta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.